In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a price list on Canva and then either download it or share it via a link. So what you need to do is go to canva.com. Everything I show you in this video will be using the free Canva version. So once you're on canva.com, if you go down here on the left to templates, you can then search for price list. The good thing about Canva is there are millions of templates that you can use. So choose a template that you want to edit. So I'm going to choose this one. We can then click customize this template. From here, it will open up the template and you can edit everything. So we can click on any text and you can move it, you can change it. So I'm going to change this to art services. Then you can obviously go and change the individual listings. And then we can drag this line here so it matches the style. Then we can go ahead and change the price. So I'm going to change it to $20. And for all of these others that we might not want, we can just highlight them and you can delete them. So you can customize this however you want. Once you've got your price list finished and organized, you can then go to share in the top right hand corner. You can then either click download and you can download this as a PNG image or a PDF. If you want to print it out, you can click PDF print. I'm going to download it as a PNG. We can then put this PNG onto Facebook, social media, or our websites. So it'll be in our downloads and here it is. If we wanted to share this as a link as it is, we could go to share in the top right. You could then click public view link, then create public view link. And here we can get a link from Canva, which we can copy. Then if someone was to click on this link after we'd share it, they'd get a price link, which would open like this in Canva. So that's how you can do it. Follow along, customize your price list. I hope that video helped.